Today, we are going to talk about how to actually get started in the kitchen when you want to make something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break it down into some very simple, clear steps on how to actually get started. So the first thing that you're going to want to do, of course, is you have to decide what it is that you want to make. So your first thing you want to do is you want to get a recipe. Now, you can get recipes online. There's a million of them online. You can get them from a cookbook. Maybe a friend has a recipe, or maybe you have one from your own collection of recipes. And then in your recipe, you want to take a look at the ingredients that are listed. From there, you're going to be able to decide what ingredients you already have in your cupboard versus what you actually need to get from the grocery store. I have my recipe for a tuna casserole, and in the pantry I already had my ingredients. So you'll see in front here all the ingredients that I need for the tuna casserole. Once you have your recipe selected, what you're going to want to do is write a grocery list and then get to the grocery store. You can always check with a grocery store flyer, whether you get them in the mail or whether you go online. You can look at a flyer app called Flip, and it will tell you every grocery store that has any kind of flyer and what's on sale. So again, that might help kind of keep costs down. So that's your first thing that you want to do.